This is Angelo, and here we're going to see how to deal against the first move d4. White can start the game with that, and after that we can play knight to f6. Very popular opening, very nice move. Try to control two squares on d5 and e4, and white obviously he's going to reply with c4. Here we have a very interesting reply, and this is e5, immediately attacking the enemy, and he should do something about that pawn right now. If he just played d5, this is not very nice move, because you can see we can develop the bishop here on c5 in very active diagonal, and everything is okay with black. So the only real challenge here is to capture on e5. And now we have some moves, but one of them is knight to g4, another one is knight e4, of course. And after knight g4 we're attacking this pawn immediately, instantly. We're going to take that pawn back, and we split this power, so we split white's pawns from the center, so white is not controlling the center so well. White has some options to protect the pawn. Maybe we can go there with transposition, and during the game he played bishop to f4, and now we can continue attacking that pawn. We have two knights and he has only one bishop to protect it. He can play knight f3, logical move, so he can transpose, he can play first knight and after that the bishop, but we will have the same position. And now this bishop, this very important bishop, has a defensive duty. It is forced to protect that pawn on e5, and for that reason we can give a check on b4. You can see the king is under attack, and it's a little more difficult for white how to parry, how to cover this check. He played knight b to d2, the most obvious move, and our real target is here on e5, so we can continue attacking that pawn. How to do it? Very easily. Queen e7, increasing the pressure, and you can see now white cannot really protect that pawn. So white's idea here is to counterattack, right? And he would like to do something to free his pieces, and for that reason he played a3. And after a3, black played a very nice move. You are very welcome to pause the video and try to think what black should do here. And black captured on e5 with a knight, with the g knight captured on e5, sacrificing the bishop on g4, and white say, wait a minute, I can just capture your bishop. But here's the trap. It's black's turn and black is winning. What you are going to do? And the correct move is knight d3. As mother made, as you can see, because the king is trapped there, the pawn cannot recapture the knight. We're attacking the bishop, but mainly we're attacking the king, and thanks to that queen he cannot do anything at all. So black won that game. I hope you enjoyed that video. You are very welcome to click the thumbs up button, and see you soon.